Due to both health and noise concerns, cities and states across the U.S. are considering or have already passed laws to ban the use of gas-powered landscaping equipment. Luckily, converting over to quieter, zero-emission devices doesn't mean that the operators will have to compromise on performance. The EGO Commercial 800 CFM backpack blower has a high-performance 1900-watt brushless motor with intelligent electronics to deliver power equivalent to a 60cc gas engine. It delivers air speeds up to 190 miles per hour with enough push force to power through heavy debris. This is made possible using EGO's peak power technology that combines two 56-volt, 10-amp-hour ARC lithium batteries, which are included with the blower when purchased at Ewing. When the batteries are fully charged, they can run the blower up to 200 minutes on low, 52 minutes on high, and 40 minutes on the turbo setting. This blower is also built for noise control. At 65 decibels from 50 feet away, it's 4 times quieter than typical gas-powered commercial backpack blowers. This can help you comply with noise restrictions being passed in communities across the country. Another benefit of being battery-powered is you won't have to worry about the fuel, oil, and maintenance costs associated with operating a gas engine blower. The blower's commercial-grade construction is built to last. The UV-resistant composite housing and IPX5 rated weather resistance stands up to the tough conditions contractors face daily. For comfort and safety while using the blower, the backpack is equipped with an adjustable support harness and back pads. The adjustable control handle includes a variable speed trigger with a speed lock button, as well as a turbo button that can be engaged when maximum power is required. A digital screen on the handle displays fan speed, as well as the average battery capacity remaining. At the end of the day, the blower tube is stowed by hooking it onto the tab on the side of the backpack. Remove the batteries from the backpack and transfer them to the included dual-port charging unit to power up for the next day. If you're ready to replace your gas-powered tools, Ewing offers a fleet purchase discount and financing to make it easy for you to upgrade to the battery-powered products you want. Visit your local Ewing branch to test drive the Commercial 800 CFM backpack blower or other battery-operated tools and accessories from EGO. For more information, click the link in the description.